The Chevrolet CK series is one of the most legendary pickup truck lines ever produced by General Motors. Introduced in 1960, this series remained in production for over 4 decades, leaving a lasting impact on the truck industry. These trucks were designed to be tough, reliable, and versatile, making them a favorite among farmers, workers, and off-road enthusiasts. The C in the name represented two-wheel drive models, while the K signified four-wheel drive versions. This allowed Chevrolet to cater to both city drivers and those who needed a rugged truck for challenging terrains. The first generation, produced from 1960 to 1966, introduced a revolutionary drop-center ladder frame, which lowered the cab and improved stability. These early models had sleek, curved body lines and were available with both inline 6 and V8 engines. In 1967, Chevrolet introduced the second generation of the CK series, which ran until 1972. These trucks featured a more refined and modern look with a stronger focus on driver comfort. Independent front suspension made the ride smoother, and more powerful V8 engine options increased performance. Today, this generation is highly sought after by collectors due to its classic design and durable build. The third generation, from 1973 to 1987, is often called the square body era due to its boxy, aerodynamic design. These trucks became popular for their ruggedness, improved aerodynamics, and fuel efficiency. Chevrolet also introduced new trim levels, making these trucks more customizable. Many truck enthusiasts still restore and modify these models, keeping their legacy alive. The fourth and final generation of the CK series arrived in 1988 and lasted until 2002. This generation featured a sleeker, more rounded design and improved fuel injection systems for better performance and efficiency. Extended cab options became more common, making these trucks ideal for both work and family use. Chevrolet also introduced heavy-duty versions, which remained in production until 2002 before being replaced by the Silverado. Even though the Chevrolet CK series was officially discontinued, its impact on the truck world remains strong. Many restored versions are still on the road today, admired for their classic styling and powerful engines. Whether used for work, off-roading, or as collector's items, these trucks continue to hold a special place in the hearts of truck lovers worldwide.